Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever craved that incredible honey walnut shrimp from your favorite Chinese restaurant? You can totally make it at home, and it's surprisingly easy. This dish combines succulent, crispy shrimp with candied walnuts, all coated in a luscious, creamy honey sauce. It's a delightful balance of sweet and savory, with a fantastic textural crunch. Forget the takeout menu for a moment. We're about to dive into creating this masterpiece yourself. Get ready to impress everyone with your culinary skills tonight. First, let's talk about our stars. Choose fresh, large shrimp, peel and devine them for easy eating. Next, for those irresistible candied walnuts, quickly soak them in hot water to remove any bitterness. Then toss them with a little sugar and a touch of water before baking until golden and crisp. For the iconic sauce, gather your mayonnaise, sweetened condensed milk, and a good quality honey. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This preparation sets the stage for success. The secret to that satisfying crunch in your shrimp lies in the coating. We'll give our prepared shrimp a light dredge in cornstarch or a thin cornstarch batter. This creates a delicate, crispy shell when fried. Heat your neutral oil to the right temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then carefully add your shrimp. Fry them in small batches to avoid overcrowding, which can lower the oil temperature and lead to soggy results. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a perfectly cooked interior. Now for the magic touch, the creamy, sweet, and tangy sauce that brings everything together. In a simple bowl, whisk together your mayonnaise, the sweetened condensed milk, and a generous amount of honey. You'll want a smooth, uniform consistency. For an extra layer of brightness, consider adding just a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It really elevates the flavors without making the sauce overly tart. This sauce is what truly defines honey walnut shrimp, creating that irresistible coating that everyone loves. It's a flavor powerhouse. With your shrimp perfectly crispy and your walnuts candied, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently add your fried shrimp and the prepared candied walnuts. Now, pour over that luscious, creamy honey sauce you just made. Using a spatula or tongs, gently toss everything until every single piece of shrimp and walnut is beautifully coated in the sauce. Serve your amazing honey walnut shrimp immediately, perhaps over a bed of steamed rice or alongside some fresh vegetables. Enjoy the incredible flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.